Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling documents and facts you need right now. Collect passport copies, ID, and any medical records. Make sure prescriptions list includes doses. Next, write trip dates, flights, and where you'll stay because insurers price by duration and destination. Then total your trip cost, include dollar for gear or prepaid tours, so you choose correct coverage limits. Once done, shortlist policies that match dates, activities, and pre-existing condition rules. Start application immediately to protect against last-minute cancellations. You now compare policy details with a focus on what matters: cancellation, medical, evacuation, and baggage limits. Read exclusions closely. If you plan adventure activities, confirm they're covered. Likewise, check pandemic and pre-existing condition wording. Evaluate deductibles and co-insurance percentages, plus policy maximums, and the claims provider network so you won't be stuck abroad. Use side-by-side tables or shortlists to weigh trade-offs. Once you decide, complete purchase, note policy number, and save emergency contacts to your phone and printed. You finish by saving policy documents digitally and in print, and programming the insurer's emergency assistance number into your phone. If something happens, document immediately. Take photos, keep receipts, and get police or medical reports with timestamps. This evidence speeds claims. File claims as soon as practical and follow the insurer's checklist step by step. Be clear, concise, and honest in descriptions. If a claim stalls, escalate to a supervisor and request claim reference numbers. This troubleshooting step often resolves delays quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.